Hello, this is Ron with Mulholland Security, and I want to show you a beautiful gate that we just finished installation today. This is one of our aluminum gates that we bring especially for Los Angeles area. These are wonderful because they are made from aluminum. There is no rust problems with those whatsoever, so their life expectancy is pretty high. At the same time, the finish on these is really remarkable, and they look beautiful. They come out really nice. This is called the high-tech design. It's like a floating style horizontal bars that are in place. On this particular gate, there is a couple of side panels that were installed here in between the two walls. There is an electrified an electric keypad to allow access, which we installed right here. Once we enter a code, and we'll press the pound button, you'll hear the little click, and we can open the door, walk inside. I'll show you how it looks from the inside. Latches nicely, and this is the interior look. So for getting out, very easily, you just go to the door and turn the lever, and you can allow yourself out. And then to get in, you can get in with either a key or the keypad, which is programmed. So that gives you both practicality and conveniency with this door. And again, beautiful finishing on this project. Nice lines, everything nice and clean. And altogether, another very successful project by Mulholland Security. Ron in Beverly Hills, California.